I love me a midi. Yeah, yeah. Wig part is not smart. I'm gonna have to throw a little elbow grease into this one, okay? Okay. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Mary.
Hi, Mary.
Coming to you with some hair. Some long bob hair. Yeah, yeah. Before I even do this, let me give it up for my subscriber of the day. Bam! Ooh, child, you the bomb. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not joined me and my cousins. Join the family and join the fun. I just want to let you guys know these deets, and then I'm gonna just jump into what I do to this. This wig is from Klaiyi. This is their 14-inch Brazilian Remy bob wig. They have 8-inch to 14 inches. This is the 14-inch length. It's 150% density, 100% virgin human hair. So you have all of the amenities that go along with that. Swiss lace, 13 by 4. So those are all of the perks. It looks like it has some baby hair, some little short baby hairs in the front. This is a natural black middle part, which y'all know I love. I love me a middle part. I love me a midi. Okay, this is where you have to decide what type of wig you want. If you are more advanced in the wig world and you are used to really customized units, this would not be for you. I can already tell I'm gonna have to go in, I'm gonna have to pluck this part because the part is very narrow. This is like the wig part right here. It looks like it was kind of pre-plucked enough to give you a somewhat decent hairline. The knots have not been bleached. Those are some things that I would have preferred to see in this unit, because y'all know I love me a good bob. So I do. I'm gonna have to work this one. The hair feels great. It's very soft. There's no tangling. There's no shedding. It's very flowy, very wind in your hair-ish. I'm just gonna press it lightly just to kind of get the little bumps from, you know, from packaging. It looks like it's gonna press very easily. I think it's gonna turn out cute. I'm just gonna have to put a little work into it, is what I'm saying to you. I'm gonna have to throw a little elbow grease into this one, okay? Let's see what we can work out. I see a couple flyaways here on top that I'm going to have to use flyaway tamer for. I'm sure you'd absolutely be able to, you know, just apply your adhesive and go, or your wig grip and go if you want to. You don't have to do any of the customization I'm talking about. Any of the plucking, the tinting lace, you really don't have to do any of that. You can cut the lace, plop it on however you choose to, and just go. But what I'm talking about is just when you are wanting the wig to look as natural as possible and as slayalicious as possible. At least work on the part. At least pluck the part. Okay, we don't want the wig part. We want to get that out of there. Wig part is not smart. We don't want the wig part, okay? So at the very least, even if you don't really customize, just pluck a little bit along this part, okay? Just widen it out a little bit. That's all I have. Haven't I been good to y'all? I have. That's all I have. Just don't leave this little wig part right here, okay? This is a very beginner appropriate wig. If y'all tiptoeing into the wig game, holla at this one. It gets right. We'll go ahead and widen that part, okay? Okay. Oh, also, there's only one cap size. It's just average size. If you are larger in the dome, you might not want to bring this one home. I don't know. Now, unless you contact them and then they, you know, can adjust your size. But from what I see, there's just average size cap. So yes, I'm gonna see what I can do with this. Let's see. All right, y'all stick with me. Details in the description box as well. All right, y'all. Peace, love, life. Let's get it.